Hello and welcome. I'm Rahul, and you're watching me on my Facebook page or my YouTube channel, Rahul My Talks. And if you're watching me consistently, welcome back to my channel. I usually make videos in order to enhance your experience, to give you such kind of information which will be related to contemporary world and the development that are happening in the contemporary world. Because if you will be able to decode all the knowledge that are being talked about across all the platforms, and what will happen, you will never be sitting idle. You will be doing something great. You will be finding a better a better environment. You will be finding a better habit, to make yourself accustomed with the latest development, because it is something that interests most. If you create curiosity around it, you will certainly be able to foster a good foundation for yourself, and this is why I usually bring such kind of information. Today I will be talking about what will happen with the advancement of AI. And everybody knows that AI can change the world, and everywhere AI is being plugged in. Nowadays robots are being developed, and AI is being plugged with robots. Then the intelligence will prevail, and the machines will be doing more activities, more work, and they will be incorporated in all the avenues where industrialization is going on or any kind of manufacturing is going on. Many services will be also replaced, but because we want perfection, we want development, that is why we are incorporating AI, and we are plugging it with a lot of developed and a lot of sophisticated process that are being happening to manufacture something or to give services. Because we are witnessing that after the robotic uh, uh, example, and what I say, the robotics machine that are being shown by by Elon Musk, and his team. They are showing a better place to the world, that after coming of Optimus. He is actually a robot built with AI, and he can solve many problems. Because if he will be doing everything with more precision, as AI is having incisive technology, so what will happen? It will be incorporated in automobile and other kind of industry, similar industries. And what will happen? They will be doing the manufacturing and assembling work. And what will happen? All the engineers that were taking that reaction, they have to learn something different. They have to learn how to handle these AI machines, how to make more productive work, how to control on a broader base. So they have to learn something new. And that is why here comes one of the most important thing, that we should incorporate AI learning and prompt engineering, in basic educations, in primary educations or higher secondary. It should be incorporated, because we want to train our people, we want to train humans. Because if we will not train today, what will happen? We will not learn how to use AI on a broader basis. It is not only limited to communication, it is limited to a lot of technology will come. And that is why looking after every sector will require experienced person. And that is why experience will come from a lot of training. And when they will be trained, they can handle it much very in a better way. And that is why I'm witnessing that in healthcare everything will be replaced, with AI. Many a surgery will go with AI, but doctors will have to be more sophisticated. Yes, they will be, because they go through lots of higher educations, and their creativity and their experience is needed. But many of the work will be done by the AI machines. Many of the diagnostics they will be doing, and they will be giving their input to specialized doctors quite effectively, and they will be able to evaluate everything, and they will be able to prescribe medicine based on that kind of report. But many a time people are saying that even AI can prescribe medicines better than 90% of doctors, today's doctors. That's why they have to be advanced. Every human being have to be advanced. They have to incorporate something new to make themselves better, so that AI won't replace them. But with the AI they can develop themselves, and they can make themselves more sophisticated, knowledgeable, so that they can handle all that. And that is why I was thinking I had a communication with AI in ChatGPT. If you want to listen to that very video, you can go to my YouTube page. There is a video there. You can listen to that very video where I was talking to AI. And many times I was talking to AI, and AI has given its input that uh, it is really essential to understand that growth of AI should be controlled, and there should be protocols to make it, a control development based on ethicals, and and other legal and ethical based intelligence. There should be certain protocols to control the AI. Otherwise, if it will reach the singularity, what human fears, not fears, but we are also aspiring to make that kind of machines, where human and machines will be equally, valid, equally intelligent, and even AI will surpass human beings, because AI will have much more sophisticated calculation, which human brain cannot do, because we are filled with emotions and other creativity work. We cannot have such kind of precision, calculating with a larger data, but AI can do that. And if they will have emotions and other feelings, if it can be incorporated in their coding, what will happen? They will find a better place, because they will be advanced than us. And that is why we want to make ourselves someone who can have augmented capability. We don't want to cut our hands, we don't want to cut ourselves or make ourselves obsolete, in this race. We want to make AI a thing, an advancement or a tool to help human beings. And that is why its control development is essential. And that is why I was talking to AI, and it was giving its input quite effectively. So if you want to listen that way video, you must go to my YouTube channel. You will find there. Thank you for listening to me. I'll be bringing a lot of knowledge, and you will be listening to me. Then you will be able to harness all the potential that I want to provide. Thank you for listening to me.